Yo, A Dot in the building. What's good with y'all, man? Is this the year? Is this the year you gonna make a change? Is this the year you finally gonna get some real money? What's stopping you, man? If you live in a first world country, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and many other countries, man, the money is there. If you got a phone and internet connection, the money is there. Now, if you got a lot of negative stuff going on in your life, negative people around you, that's going to hold you back. You know what I'm saying? So, those are the first things you need to change, man. Stop being around negative people, get negative habits out your life, overeating, undersleeping, not working enough, not working out enough, hanging around people that's just not bad. I mean, just not good for you. And you know what I mean. If you don't, people that want to party all the time, people that want to argue all the time, people that don't get no money, people that's not on the path you on. So if you're trying to change your life, you got to get better as a person. And that's inside and out. That's health wise in, and on the outside, the people around you, the things that you can change. You can change the people who you call your friends. You can change your relatives by not going around them if they negative, man. You know, that's just what it is, man. Gotta make some hard decisions when you want to elevate. You know what I'm saying? I elevated, come from the projects. You know what I'm saying? Come from a city where nothing but, you know, I don't even know how to say the word on platforms, but, was getting unalived. You know what I'm saying? So I've been through it, man. I worked my way up. I cut people out. Stop hanging around certain people. Stop calling certain people. Change my number. Change my location. You know what I'm saying? You could work. Get to work. You know what I'm saying? Every weekend ain't gotta be a go out, go to the beach, go down the shore, try to go on vacation. Get some money, man. Sacrifice all the fun so you can be able to live a better life in the long run. There's a lot of people that's having fun every weekend, but when they 50, 60, 70, 80, they still working at a job they don't like. Where you want to be? Where you want to be? We got so many ways for you to make money out here. It's just insane. That's where I come in, man. I'm a mentor, I'm a coach, I'm a business owner. Before I even did those things, I always knew in my mind I wanted to teach.